Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get unlimited referrals on Temu and make some decent money through their affiliate program or even by playing their in-app games. So first, open up the Temu app and then tap on the referral link or code you want to share. It doesn't really matter which one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy my referral link. So once you've got your link copied, go ahead and exit the app and open up any search engine. Could be Google, Bing, or whatever. Then just type in refer for refer Temu Discord servers. Now, you'll find tons of Discord servers dedicated to Temu referrals. So just join any of them, and once you're inside, look for the channel that's specifically for referral trading. From there, it's super simple. Paste your link in the chat, write something like refer for refer, and people will start using your link. In return, you'll use theirs too. It's like a mutual exchange. Everyone helps each other out. This kind of trade-off system can actually get you a good number of referrals, and you'll be surprised how fast it adds up. It's a great way to earn some free Temu credit or cash while helping out the community too. And that's it. Thanks for watching.